Find the value of x if the slope of the line joining through 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. Here it is given that slope of the line joining through these 2 points is 2. Given points, what are the points given? 2, 5, x, 3. Slope of the line joining. Slope of the line joining. Let them be some AB. Joining AB is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula of slope of the line joining these 2 points. Here, according to this problem, slope of the line joining with these 2 points is given to be 2, because the slope is given to be 2. y2 minus y1 by 3 minus 5 by x minus 2. Therefore, 2 by minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. That implies, here let us divide with 2 both sides. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to, bring this minus 2 to right side, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. The value of x is 1. Find the value of y if the line joining 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6 is 2. Therefore, it is given that the line joining these 2 points, is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Therefore, given that the lines joining 3, y, 2, 7 and minus 1, 4 and 0, 6 are parallel. So according to the condition of parallelity, slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of the first line joining the given points 3, y and 2, 7 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 7 minus 1 y by 2 minus 3. Slope of the line joining the next 2 points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus 1. But m1 is given to be m2. m1 is given to be equal to m2 because slopes are equal. Therefore, 7 minus y by minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, 7 minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. Find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. What is the equation of a line in intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is given that intercepts are equal. That means a is equal to b. X by a plus y by a is equal to 1 because b can be replaced by a. X plus y is equal to a. But equation 1 is passing through, line equation 1 is passing through minus 4, 5. That means minus 4 plus 5 is equal to a. This implies a is equal to 1. Therefore, the required equation of a line passing through minus 4, 5 and cutting off equal intercepts is x plus y is equal to 1. So, the required equation of line is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the points minus 2, 4 and making intercepts whose sum is 0. So here also, this is also an equation of a straight line in intercept form. As we have discussed, equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is given that making intercepts whose sum is 0. That means a plus b is equal to 0. Sum of intercepts is 0. That means b is equal to minus a. So x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. Therefore, x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. This implies x minus y is equal to a. But it is a line passing through 2, 4. Therefore, since 1 is passing through, what is the line through which it is passing through? It is a line passing through 2, 4. So 2 minus 4 is equal to a. This implies a is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the required equation of a line passing through 2, 4 and whose sum of intercepts is 0. Sum of intercepts is 0 is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Or x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Transform the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 into slope intercept form and intercept form. So given equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. It is in the standard form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we have to transform this equation in the form of slope intercept form. What is the standard form of slope intercept form of a straight line? Y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, minus 3y is equal to, let us bring these two quantities to right side, thereby it will become minus 4x minus 12. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4x minus 12 by minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4x by minus 3 minus 12 by minus 3. So, minus get cancelled here. Therefore, y is equal to 4 by 3x plus 3 divides 4, 12, 4 times plus 4. Y is equal to 4 by 3x plus 4. Now it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. That means we have brought this equation in the form of slope intercept form. Next one is intercept form. To bring the given equation in intercept form, we have to write the given equation in the standard form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, 4x minus 3y is equal to, I am going to change this quantity or transfer this quantity 12 to right side, thereby it becomes minus 12. We are going to divide the entire equation with minus 12 so as to get 1 on the right side. 4x minus 3y by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. Therefore, 4x by minus 12 minus 3y by minus 12 is equal to 1. Therefore, x by minus 12 by 4 minus minus cancel. Therefore, y by 12 by 3 is equal to 1. X by minus 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. It is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, x by minus 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 is the intercept form of the given line equation. Now we are going to see the similar model. Transform the equation root 3x plus y is equal to 4 into slope intercept form and intercept form. As we have discussed, given equation root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So in order to bring this one equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to bring this root 3x to right side minus root 3x plus 4. Now it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore this is the slope intercept form of the line equation. Next, standard form of the intercept form of the line equation is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. In order to bring this equation in the form of intercept form, let us divide the entire equation with 4 both sides. Therefore, root 3x by 4 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So x by 4 by root 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Now it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called the intercept form of the line equation. X by 4 by root 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Transform the equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 into normal form. So here the given equation of the line is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the standard form of the line equation in normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Therefore, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x plus y is equal to, let us bring this 1 to right side, minus 1. So, let us multiply the entire equation with minus both sides. Minus x minus y is equal to minus into minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, here we have to bring this equation in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This can be obtained by taking the values of root a square plus b square. That means a by root a square plus b square plus b by root a square plus b square. So minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to root 1 plus 1 root 2. So therefore this is the value of root a square plus b square. Therefore minus x by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here this equation 1 is divided by root 2 both sides. Thereby it becomes a by root a square plus b square, b by root a square plus b square, c by root a square plus b square. Therefore minus 1 by root 2 into x minus 1 by root 2 into y is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore here minus 1 by root 2 is the cos 225. What is the value of cos 225? Minus 1 by root 2. So x cos 225 degrees plus y sin 225 degrees. Sin 225 is minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here this is the equation in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is called the normal form of the given line equation x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Similar model, transform the equation 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 into normal form. So what is the line equation given here? 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation which is to be brought in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is greater than 0. That is called normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is greater than 0. So therefore 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. Here also let us multiply the entire equation with minus 1. Therefore minus 3x minus 4y is equal to minus into minus 12 plus 12. Therefore let us calculate the value of root a square plus b square, which is equal to minus 3 square plus minus 4 square, that is equal to 9 plus 16 root 25, it is equal to 5. Now let us divide this entire equation 2, let it be 2, with 5 both sides. So minus 3 by 5 into x minus 4 by 5 into y is equal to 12 by 5. Now it is in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where cos alpha is minus 3 by 5, sin alpha is minus 4 by 5. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point. So let us assume that this is an equation of a line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. We have to find out another line equation which is parallel to this one and passing through the point 5 comma 4. Therefore, here the line equation given is 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So what is the line equation which is parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0? When two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Therefore, the required parallel line is 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0, because slopes are equal, therefore constant only differs. So this is an equation passing through which point? 5 comma 4. Therefore 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k is equal to 0. So 10 plus 12 plus k is equal to 0. 22 plus k is equal to 0. That implies k is equal to minus 22. Therefore, the required equation of a line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through 5 comma 4 is 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the required line equation which is parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through 5 comma 4. Find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Let us assume that this is an equation of a line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find out another line equation which is perpendicular to this one and passing through the point, let it be 4 comma minus 3. So here given that line equation is 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So in order to write the perpendicular line equation to the given equation 1, let it be the given equation 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, perpendicular line equation means this is the line equation which can be obtained by taking the product of slopes which is equal to minus 1. If the product of slopes is minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. Therefore, the required perpendicular line is product of slopes is minus 1 and m1 into m2 is minus 1. The given lines are said to be perpendicular. Therefore, so in order to find out the perpendicular equation, simply interchange the coefficients of x and y and change the symbol between these two terms accordingly. Therefore, 3x 5y, if minus is there, let us change this one as plus. If plus is there, let us change this one as minus. Plus constant k is equal to 0. So this is the perpendicular line equation to the given line equation and passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Therefore, this is the line passing through 4 comma minus 3. 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. So 12 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to plus 3. Therefore, the required perpendicular equation of a line passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to this line is 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required perpendicular line equation. Find the area of the triangle formed by the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. So we have to find out the area of a triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis. So given line equation is given 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. The standard form of the line equation. The standard form is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the line equation which can be compared to the given equation. Therefore, area of triangle formed by the line with x-axis and y-axis with coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod ab, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 12. That is equal to c square 12 square by 2 into modulus of 3 into minus 4, c square by 2 mod ab, 144 by 2 into modulus minus 12, 144 by 2 into modulus minus 12 plus 12. It will turn out to be plus 12. So 12 times 2 divided 12, 6 times. So 6 square units is the area of triangle formed by this line with coordinate axis. Find the value of A if the area of the triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to A is 6 units. So therefore, x is equal to 0 is nothing but y-axis, y is equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis. So we have to find out the area of triangle. So area already given. Area of triangle is given to be, how much is the area of triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis given? 6 square units. So therefore, area of triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis is given to be c square by 2 mod ab. So compare this equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to a. With this equation, c square is a square by 2 into modulus of 3 into 4. Its area is given to be equal to 6 square units. This implies a square by 3 4 is 12. 12 into 2, 24 is equal to 6. Therefore, a square is equal to 24 into 6. 144. How much? 140. A is equal to root 144. That is equal to 12 units. So therefore, and the area of triangle formed by this line with coordinate axis is 6 square units, and the value of A is 12 units. Of course, here A can be either positive or negative. A is equal to plus or minus 12. Therefore, A value may be either plus 12 or minus 12. Find the distance between the parallel lines. Find the distance between the parallel lines. 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is given that these two lines are parallel. That means their slopes are equal. In other words, 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So let us multiply the entire equation with 2. Thereby it becomes 10x minus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation is given to be only 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, now these two equations are parallel because their slopes are equal. So distance between these two parallel lines modulus c1 minus c2 by root under root a square plus b square, root of a square plus b square. Modulus of c1 minus 8 minus of minus 9 by root of 10 square plus minus 6 square, that is equal to minus 8 plus 9 by 100 plus 36, that is equal to modulus of minus 8 plus 9 1 by root 136. So therefore distance between these two parallel lines is 1 by root 136. Find the distance between these two parallel lines, same model. The given lines are 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Another one is 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. So since the given lines are given to be parallel, therefore their slopes are equal. So therefore to make these slopes equal, let us multiply the entire equation with 2. Therefore it becomes 6x plus 8y minus 6 is equal to 0. Second equation is already given, 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Therefore the standard form of the line equations are generally parallel. Therefore distance between these two parallel lines, distance between parallel lines. What is the formula that we have discussed? Modulus c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. That means minus 6 minus of minus 1 by under root of 6 square plus 8 square. That is equal to minus 6 plus 1 by minus of minus 1 plus 1 by modulus of root 36 plus 64. 1 by root 100, that is equal to 1 by 10. This is the distance between these two parallel lines. Find the ratio in which the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 divides the line joining the points 0, 0 and minus 2, 1. For example, this is the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. There is another line which join these 2 points. Here is 0, 0 for example. There is another point minus 2, 1. In what ratio this line divides the joining of these 2 points? Here the given line is 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Line joining these 2 points. Line joining these 2 points. 2 points are 0, 0 and minus 2, 1. Here we have to find out L11. That means by substituting this point 0, 0 in the given line equation, we get 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 0 minus 5. That is equal to minus 5. L22. That means by substituting this second point in the given line, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 5. That is equal to minus 4 plus 3 minus 5. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Therefore, the ratio in which the line joining these 2 points divides the given line is minus L11 is to L22. That is minus of minus 5 is to minus 6. That is 5 is to minus 6. Let's have one more problem with the same model. Find the ratio in which the straight line 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0 divides the line joining of the points 2, 3 and 2, 10. For example, this is a straight line. 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. There is another straight line joining the 2 points is 2, 3 and 2, 10. We have to find out the ratio in which the straight line divides the joining of these 2 points. Given 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, the points given are x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3, x2, y2 is equal to 2, 10. Let us find out L11. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 20 is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 20. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 20 is equal to minus 7. L22. By substituting this point x2, y2 in this one, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 10 minus 20. 2 to the 4 plus 30 minus 20. That is equal to 34 minus 20, 14. Therefore, the ratio in which the line joining these 2 points by the line 2x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to minus L11 is to L22. Minus of L11 is minus 7 is to L22 14. That is equal to 7 is to 14. That is equal to 1 is to 2. So therefore 1 is to 2 is the ratio in which the line joining divides the line joining the points 2, 3 and 2, 10. Find the value of k if the lines 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Suppose if more than 3 lines meet at a point, they are said to be concurrent. For example, here is the line L1, L2, L3. Therefore, these are the 3 lines which meet at the same point. Therefore, they are said to be concurrent. So, since the given lines are said to be concurrent, whatever the point where these 2 lines meet, the third line should also meet at the same point. Therefore, by solving these 2 equations, we get a one coordinate which when substituted in this first equation, we can get the value of k. Therefore, given 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. So let us solve these 2 equations so that we will get a coordinate. That is the point which when substituted in the third equation, 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0, we can get the value of k. So therefore, minus 4, minus 13, 3, minus 4, minus 11, minus 33, 8, minus 11, x, y, y. Therefore, x by minus 4 into minus 33 minus minus 13 into minus 11 is equal to y by minus 13 into 8 minus 3 into minus 33 is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 11 minus minus 4 into 8. Therefore, x by 132 minus into minus plus 4 into 33 132 minus into minus plus plus into minus minus 143 is equal to y by minus 104 minus into minus plus 99 is equal to 1 by minus 33 plus 32 sorry 32. Therefore, x by minus 11 is equal to y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 11 by minus 1, minus 11 by minus 1, y is equal to minus 5 into 1, minus 5 by minus 1. So therefore, the coordinate is 11 comma 5. 11 comma 5 is the point where these two lines meet. When we substitute this 11 comma 5 in the first equation, we get the value of k. Because these three lines are congruent, this is the point where these three lines meet. 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0 also meets these two lines at 11 comma 5. 11 comma 5. Therefore, since it is passing through this point, 2x, 2 into 11 minus 3 into 5 plus k is equal to 0. 2 into 11 minus 3 into 5 plus k is equal to 0. 22 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, 7 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to minus 7. So, therefore, the value of k is minus 7 if these three lines are congruent. Let's have one more model of this same concept. Show that the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0 are congruent, and find the point of congruency. Here, given lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let them be 1, 2, 3. So, since these three given lines are congruent, there is a one point where these three lines meet. The point of congruence of these three lines is the same. This is the point where these three lines meet. By solving these two equations 1 and 2, if the point of intersection is substituted in the third equation, we should get 0. Therefore, that is the point of congruency. By solving these two equations, we will get a point. That is the point where the third line also meets. Therefore, once we substitute this point in the third equation, we should get 0. Therefore, that is the concept of the congruent lines. Let us solve these two equations. 1 minus 3, 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 3, 2. Therefore, x, y, 1. X by 1 into minus 2 minus minus 3 into 2 is equal to y by minus 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3. Therefore, x by minus 2 plus 6, 4 is equal to y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 1, 4. Y is equal to minus 5 by 1, minus 5. Therefore, 4 comma minus 5 is the point where these two lines meet. Therefore, the third line should also meet at the same point. The third line is 2x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0. So, therefore, once we substitute this point 4 comma minus 5 in this, 2 into 4 minus 3 into minus 5 minus 23. 2 4s are 8, minus into minus plus 15 minus 23. So 23 minus 23 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4 comma minus 5 is the point where these three lines meet. Therefore, the point of congruency is 4 comma minus 5. Let's have one more question of the same model. Find the value of p if the lines 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, and px plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 are congruent. If the lines are congruent, we have to find the value of p. Therefore, The given lines are 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let us solve these two equations, and the point of intersection obtained will be substituted in the third equation so as to get the value of p, because these three lines are congruent. So therefore 4 minus 5, 3, 4, 3 minus 4, 2, 3, x, y, 1. X by 4 into minus 4 minus 5 into 3 is equal to y by minus 5 into 2 minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 minus 4 into 2. So x by 16 minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15 minus 16 plus 15 is equal to y by minus 10 plus 12 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 8. Therefore x by minus 1 is equal to y by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. So this is the point where these two lines meet. It is the point of intersection of these two lines. The third line should also meet at the same point. Therefore, since px plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 is passing through minus 1 comma 2, so p into minus 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus p plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus p is equal to minus 2. P is equal to 2. Therefore, find the value of p if the lines are congruent. The value of p is 2. The value of p is 2. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. Therefore, the required line should be parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and it is passing through this point of intersection of these two lines. That means these two lines are to be solved to get the point of intersection. Once we get a point of intersection, the required line is parallel to this one and pointing to the point of intersection of these two lines. Here we are solving these two equations. X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2 will get here x by minus 2 into minus 6 minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 6. Therefore, x by 12 plus 9 is equal to y by minus 3 minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 1 by 5. X by 21 is equal to y by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 21 by 5. Y is equal to 3 by 5. So therefore, the point of intersection of these two lines is 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5. The required parallel line to 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and is passing through 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5 is 3x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 because these two lines are parallel. Therefore, their slopes are equal. Therefore, once we substitute this point here, we will get a parallel line. Therefore, 3 into 21 by 5 plus 4 into 3 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 63 by 5 plus 12 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 63 by 5 plus 12 by 5 plus k. Therefore, 63 plus 12, 75 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 15 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 15. Therefore, the required line, parallel line, is 3x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the line which is parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point of intersection of these two lines given. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here given lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. And we have to find out the line which is perpendicular to this line and passing through the intersection of this point of intersection of these two lines. Let them be some 1, 2. Here 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Here 3 minus 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 6, 3, 4. Therefore, x by minus 18 minus minus 1 into 4 is equal to y by minus 3 minus 2 into minus 6. 2 into minus 6. It is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3. Therefore, x by minus 18 minus 4 minus of minus plus 4 sorry plus 4 minus 18 plus 4 that is equal to minus 18 plus 4. Y is equal to y by minus 3 plus 12 that is equal to 1 by 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Therefore, x by minus 14 is equal to y by 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 14 by minus 1 that is equal to 14. Y is equal to 9 by minus 1 that is equal to minus 9. Therefore, the coordinate is 14 comma minus 9. So therefore, the point of intersection of these two lines is 14 comma minus 9. And we have to find out the line which is perpendicular to this line and passing through 14 comma minus 9. The required perpendicular line to 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point of intersection of these two lines is 14 comma minus 9. So we are going to write the perpendicular line to this line 2x 5y plus 2x plus 5y plus k is equal to 0 because once these two lines are perpendicular the product of the slopes is minus 1. Therefore this perpendicular line can be written as 2x plus 5y plus k is equal to 0. It is passing through 14 comma minus 9 according to the given problem. 2 into 14 plus 5 into minus 9 plus k is equal to 0. 28 minus 48 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore 7 1 minus 17 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 17. Therefore the required perpendicular line is, what did you get the value of k? 17. The required perpendicular line is 2x plus 5a plus 17 is equal to 0. This is the line which is perpendicular to this line and passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. Passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. A straight line with slope 1 passes through Q minus 3 comma 5 meets the line at x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 at P. Find the distance PQ. So we have to find out the distance PQ. This is a line passing through the point 3 comma minus 5. If the slope is given to be m is equal to minus 1, slope is generally denoted by m is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan 45. This implies theta may be is equal to 45 degrees. So given point minus 3 comma 5, let it be some x comma y1. Let the distance PQ be small r. Therefore P is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. So x1 is equal to minus 3 plus r cos 45, 5 plus r sin 45. That is equal to minus 3 plus r by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. 5 plus r by root 2 is equal to 6. Therefore 5 minus 3, 2 plus r by root 2 plus r by root 2, 2r by root 2 is equal to 6. Therefore root 2r is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. R is equal to 4 by root 2. That is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore the distance between these two lines PQ is 2 root 2 units. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1 comma 3, minus 3 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 1. Here ABC are the vertices of a triangle. Let S be the circumcenter. So S is equidistant from the three vertices of a triangle ABC. Therefore SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. We are making first SA is equal to SP. At SP the circumcenter it is x1 y1. So SA SXY A1 comma 3. So distance between S and A is under root of x square plus y square minus 2x minus 10y plus 10. Similarly, distance SB is equal to under root of x square plus 6x plus y square minus 10y plus 34. Similarly, SC is equal to under root of x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. That is equal to under root of x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. We are making first SA and SB equal. Therefore, on squaring both sides, we are getting the equation 8x minus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. And taking 4 as the common factor and taking to right side, we will get 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. So solving 1 and 2, we are getting 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Similarly, SB is equal to SC. SB is equal to root of x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y plus 34 is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x plus 2y plus 26. Squaring on both sides and simplifying, you will get 16x minus 12y plus 8 is equal to 0. By taking 4 as the common factor and taking to right side, we will get another equation 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So let it be the equation 3, it is 4. Solving 4 and 3, we get the required circumcenter. Therefore, solving equations 1 and 2, 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x by minus 1 into 2 minus 6 into minus 3. Similarly, y by 24 minus 4. 1 by minus 6 minus of minus 1 into 4. X by 16 is equal to y by 20 is equal to 1 by minus 2. X is equal to 16 by minus 2 minus 8. Y is equal to 20 by minus 2 minus 10. Therefore, the required circumcenter is minus 8 comma minus 10. The required circumcenter is minus 8 comma minus 10. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, 0, minus 2 and minus 3, 1. Here, let x comma y be the required circumcenter as usual. Given points ABC, according to the condition of circumcenter S is equidistant from ABC. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA is equal to let S be the circumcenter x comma y. SA is equal to under root of x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. Similarly, SB, distance between S and B, under root of x square plus y square plus 4y plus 4. SC, under root of x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. We are making SC and SB equal and taking the transformation to left side. All the terms to left side, we will get an equation x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, SB is equal to SC, and simplifying this equation we will get x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the point of intersection of x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required circumcenter. Solving 1 and 2, x plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x by 5 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1. Y by minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1. 1 by 1 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1. X by 2 is equal to y by minus 4 is equal to 1 by minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by minus 6. Therefore, 1 by minus 3 or minus 1 by 3. Y is equal to minus 4 by minus 6. Therefore, 2 by 3. Therefore, minus 1 by 3, comma, find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are 5 minus 2, minus 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Generally, orthocenter is nothing but the point of intersection of altitudes of a triangle. So let AD and BE be the altitudes of this triangle. Therefore, the point of intersection of these two altitudes O is the required orthocenter. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, the slope of BC and the slope of AD, product of slope of BC and AD is minus 1, because two lines are perpendicular when the product of the slopes is minus 1. Using that concept, we are finding the equation AD. Slope of BC is equal to y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, m1 is the slope of this line BC, m2 is the slope of the line perpendicular AD. So 1 into m2 is minus 1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, this is the equation AD is passing through the point A. So we are getting the equation AD by using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form. Y plus 2 is equal to minus x plus 5. And simplifying this, we will get an equation x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, BE is perpendicular to AC. Slope of AC is equal to, we are getting 2 by 3. M1 is minus 3 by 2. Slope of BE is 2 by 3. Therefore, equation of BE passing through B having the slope 2 by 3 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 1. Therefore, on simplifying this, we will get 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we are solving these two equations. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. The point of intersection of these two altitudes is slope. The point of intersection of these altitudes is orthocenter. Now we are solving this equation. Two equations, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Here x by 1 into 8 minus 3 into minus 3. 1 y by minus 3 into 2 minus 1 into 8. 1 by minus 3 minus 2. Therefore, x by minus 1 is equal to y by minus 14 is equal to 1 by minus 5. X is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 14 by minus 5 means 14 by 5. Therefore, 1 by 5 comma 14 by 5 is the required orthocenter of this triangle whose vertices are 5 minus 2, minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma 4.